So today's gameplay is going to be a little bit different. Instead of me running out, pushing fights and clearing buildings, I'm going to be a little bit chilled and support my teammates from a distance. I'm only doing this because I may go ghillie in the future, I'm not too sure, but the results I got from this was crazy, so you guys don't want to miss this gameplay. My teammates are trying to collect 9 boxes that are inside the casino. The enemies are trying to defend those boxes. My idea was to sit back and pick off enemies that are making their way towards the casino. Yo!
Just gonna shoot straight.
Got him. Because of the full black gear that I'm in, it's pretty much impossible for the enemies to see me on the inside. So it was a perfect spot to pick them off.
Go ahead, Fred. Wow. Oh, grazed his head, boy. Yo. This gun's getting fucking heavy. Got you. So what I wanted you to do, big man. I know he's. Oh, there's one right there. Can I get him? Come on. No way, I got him. When I finish playing, you see him.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
GG, man. You kind of saved that bullet from me.
Yeah, cool.
Thank you, man. GG. GG. GG, bro. Too slow, my guy. GG, bro. GG, man. Sniper spotted me. GG, bro. Fucking holding the gun sideways like a gangster. Why did my bullet? Yeah, it was right in your forehead. Right up, so I'm alone. Kill. Got ya. GG. Got hits count.
I think I shot this guy like 3 times when there's no respawn. That's why I was a bit confused of like, why is he still there?
Okay, one far back. GG, bro. One's in this building here, the white building. This white building. Oh.
So the game's actually finished. So me and this other guy, we really didn't know until we seen the marshals bringing the bombs back. But yeah, if you guys like the video, you know what to do. Drop a like and subscribe.
Yeah, I think we killed them.
Yeah, more videos on the way. Probably a loadout video. So stay tuned.